And praise the Lord and shalom to everyone. Just a small word. I was taking a walk in the park. I just finished and I just feel like sharing this with you. About a month and a half back, I had a severe attack of vertigo. Now, there was too much dizziness and I was not able to perform my daily routines. I was having much problems and facing dizziness when I used to bend down, look up. I was not able to sleep on the sides. I had to sleep with two cushions on my sides. I was not able to look down and brush. I was not able to eat my meals because any small movement of the head upwards, downwards, or sideways, both the sides, would give immense dizziness. And there were times when you felt that is something wrong with your brain and in your head. Anyways, by the grace of God, after some time, God granted me healing. Thanks to Lord for his magnificent healing. Thanks to modern medicines. Thanks to the wisdom that the doctors have from the Lord only. The Lord is our healer, so all the glory, honor should go to him. What I want to share is that there was a time when I realized that even doing our normal routines and normal works, daily routines like going to the washroom without the support of anyone, brushing your teeth, being able to look down and spit and gargles, whatever, and even sleeping peacefully, sleeping on your side, walking, and even sitting properly is a huge blessing from God, which sometimes we all tend to take for granted. So friends, when you don't have anything to thank the Lord for, just thank the Lord that you are able to talk, you are able to walk, you are able to perform your daily routine well without the help of anyone, and that the Lord has kept you in a good shape. And that should be the reason enough to give the Lord a sacrifice of thanksgiving. Be anxious for nothing, but in everything keep on giving thanks to the Lord. The Lord appreciates when we come to him with a humble heart, with a heart full of gratitude towards him for all the blessings. Often we feel disappointed when we are waiting our breakthroughs and when we are waiting our healings, but always keep your faith strong, keep looking towards the Lord, keep meditating on his promises, and remember that he's a good God who loves you and he has good plans for you and he wants to heal you. Never give up. God bless you.